to Sankul under GTU Innovation Council with the blessings of the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Gujarat Technological University, Dr. Akshay Agrawal. The co-chairman from the industry is Mrs. Rita Goradia, President of FGI, and from academics it is myself, Dr. Milind Pai. Mission behind the Innovation Council is to bring the culture of innovation to both the industry and the academic. And the vision behind this is to make GTU a hub of research, technology and entrepreneurship. The Sankul was started with following objectives: to identify and to solve the problems of the industries through regular consulting cells at institutes, to help industry associations work better through student volunteers, to help and to develop relationship between professional associations and industries for keeping the employees of the industry more up to date, to organize continuing education program by assessing the needs of the industry, to have students and teachers visit industries by means of Shodh Yatra, to have summer internships in the industries, to have engineers from the industry to regularly give seminars and interaction with the students. With the above objectives, I am glad to inform you that 100% of our students were sent for summer internships and Shodh Yatra in the summer vacation of 2011. Our final year students have identified 142 industry-defined projects from various industries and are now working on the same. Two groups of the students are working with Areva for their industry-defined projects. Moreover, we have continued our activities for remaining students and we have organized more than 38 Shodh Yatras, that is industrial visits, 27 expert lectures of various companies, and we have organized 5 workshops for second, third and final year students of all the branches of engineering in first half of the year 2011 and 12. Some of our students are also working to file for intellectual property rights IPRs. I am very much thankful to all the industries who have cooperated with our students, and also my special thanks to Ms. Geeta Goradia for taking active interest in the Sankul activities. Thank you very much.
Myself Steffi Sebastian.
Myself Jay Desai.
And myself Kinjal Patel.
Studying in final year electrical department of Paral Institute of Engineering and Technology are doing our project under the curriculum of GTU Industrial Defined Problem. The title of our project is PLC with MMI for giving self-diagnostic feature. We will be doing our project at Mega Switchgears located at GIDC Industrial Estate, Makarpura. We will be doing our project under the guidance of Mr. K.V. Khattar, proprietor of Mega Switchgears, and Mr. Ishan Seth. Our industrial internal guide is Professor M.M. Pandya. The main aim of our project is to locate fault in any system. This we will be doing with the help of PLC. We will be programming the PLC in such a way that it displays a particular fault on the MMI, that is man-machine interface display. The benefit of our project is that this feature helps in reducing the time consumed in location of fault. Our project can be used in small-scale industries where location of fault manually becomes greatly difficult and time-consuming. This feature reduces the time consumed and also increases the efficiency of the system. We will be demonstrating our project with the help of turbinate grinding system where fault location and display of fault will be there. Thank you.
Good morning, respected sir. My name is Diyar Arjul. I am studying in civil engineering in Paral Institute of Engineering and Technology.
Hello, I am Shah Ami from Civil Engineering 4th year from Paral Institute of Engineering and Technology.
Hello, I am Askarya Jay from 4th year Civil Engineering, Paral Institute of Technology and Engineering.
The topic which we are going to introduce you is the green building. The environmental problem is that the limited amount of energy resources, conventional energy sources is limited. That's why we are implementing green building. Because the green building uses the lesser amount of energy from the environment. Our three main important topic is based on the green building. One of the main topic is that energy conservation level at the maintenance level, energy conservation at construction level, and rainwater harvesting. We have done our case study at the energy conservation at construction level and maintenance level. The energy conservation at construction level, we had done our case study at the building which is situated in Vadodara. The building is made up of mud, post mud, stone and locally available materials. The main thing and main positive mark is the building is that the building in this building we can eliminate the use of brick and we can maintain the cooling without any air conditioning system. In the energy conservation in the maintenance level, we can use the natural AC and the other system in which we can make the building at the comfort zone. Rainwater harvesting is our next case study. In this rainwater harvesting, we can collect the rainwater, utilize it, and recharging our buildings rainwater with rainwater. Thank you.
I am happy to know that Gujarat Technological University has made it mandatory for all the students of Degree Engineering College final year to go for the projects which are industry based. In my opinion, if the student can solve the real world problems of the industries, then it will give satisfaction to the stakeholders, to the students, and also to the college authorities. In my opinion, the industries are creating sometimes problems for the students and they don't cooperate. At this juncture, I would say that the government of Gujarat should intervene and they should see that the industries also come forward and extend their cooperation and necessary assistance to the students of final years to complete their projects in time. Thank you.
Good morning. First of all, I would like to thank Gujarat Technological University and the Innovation Council for providing such a great opportunity to the diploma students. The aim of forming the GTU Innovation Council is to forge the linkages between the industries, academics and the innovation. The GTU Innovation Council has created 25 Sankuls in different institutes across the state to fulfill this mission. The final year students of Diploma Engineering have signed to the industry to identify the problem definition for their project during their pre-final year's industrial training. Based on the training, group of the students had identified their projects which may lead to improvement in the products or the processes. The Odisha Club developed at the college is helping the students in their work. I think that such type of the projects in final year will definitely help the students for their careers. The Vadodara Sankul at Parul campus is working hard to fulfill the mission of council and our students are more benefited as Vadodara city is surrounded by many production industries and GIDCs. In light of this year all the students of Diploma Engineering had successfully completed their summer industrial training based on the Shodh Yatra in various industries. Some of the students has also selected case studies. For example, the students of civil engineering of 5th semester had selected the case studies of regulation of the water supply at the Parul campus. As a part of Sankul activity, this year the institution has conducted 12 industrial visits and 25 expert lectures. Also, this year the Diploma College is organizing IDP UDP based competition under the banner of Innovation 2011 in collaboration with Gujarat Technological University and Indian Society for Technical Education on 16 November 2011, wherein students are invited to participate for their IDP UDP project competition to show their industrial defined projects. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nisha P. Rai and I am from Parul Institute of Engineering and Technology, 7th Sem 4th year Civil Engineering.
Hello, my name is Vyas Prutha. I am from Parul Institute of Engineering and Technology from 7th Sem final year Civil Engineering.
Hi, my name is Chaudhary Jigar. I am coming from Civil Engineering Department of last year of Parul Institute of Engineering and Technology.
Our undertaken project is software for the analysis and design of the staircases. Objective of the software. While manually calculating and so it requires long time for the analysis and design of the staircase. So there is delay in the delivery of the design detailing and subsequently reduction in the output of the design office. Also the availability of the software is not easily available in the market. So we have undertaken the project for the design and analysis of the staircases using VB.NET and graphics. Application of the software. After the quick input of few parameters, the software will calculate the staircase design, and also it will show various graphics. The graphics includes shear force diagram, bending moment diagram, deflection diagram, and also the detailing of the staircase, that is steel reinforcement. Also the company has planned to upload the free version of the software, and this will benefit the company also. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Rajesh, working as Principal and Director of Parul Institute of Pharmacy. We are very happy with the initiatives of Gujarat Technological University under the Vice Chancellorship of Dr. Akshay Agarwal. One of the innovative ideas under his stewardship is the Innovation Sankul, which we are a part of Vadodara Sankul too. As a part of that, we have set up an Odisha club headed by one of our professors, Dr. Praful Sabne, and we have planned several activities, and several of the activities are successfully being conducted. One of the attempt under the Innovation Sankul is Shodh Yatra, where the students of MPharm have started visiting several industries to keep them aware of the knowledge as well as to get problems from the industries faced by them, which can be solved in an academic environment and given back to them. Already 17 industries have been covered, and the total plan is 150 industries for a period of 1 academic year. We hope it will be successful, and it is going to be declared as a problem fair for all the students of GTU who can come and participate in the same. Our students have been active in participating in national and international level conferences conducted by national bodies, where the posters will be presented and an interaction with eminent personalities will be achieved. With respect to this, we have set up an Industry Institute Interaction Cell, under which we have signed MOUs with 7 industries, and we are in discussion with technology transfer for 3 industries. We are going for joint patents, and as an initiative, we have already filed 4 provisional patents from the students who have completed their Masters in Pharmacy, and the academic year 2011-12 are going to see 10 more patents. We have set up an entrepreneur development cell, and under this we have come up with an incubation center where the students are likely to be groomed to become job givers rather than job seekers. We are going in a different path where the student himself can become